Hi, welcome on Wraps. My name is Randy Miller. I'm going to be showing you a little trick today. So as you see this little tape right here, it's yellow tape. So this is the area that the vinyl will not stick well on, and so I just use these little tape to do that. So it's right here in the corner. This is our little trouble spot. So if you just put the vinyl on top of there and try to sink it in, it does pop up. So right here I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to actually sink the vinyl in and it will stay the vinyl in. And also, when you're doing this, I recommend using probably a primer 94, especially around when it goes into the 45-degree angle cut. So right here, what I'm doing, it's a little trick, and I just want to do this for a little area purposes, but to show you a demonstration on this. But it's to take a ruler, something long and rigid. Also, just put it right on top of there. And one of the next thing I'm going to do is going to add a little heat to it, and you can see how it kind of ripples and makes it soft, basically. So I'm going to get it far enough, just get it right there, and I'm going to stretch it right over, just enough. Do I think I know it's going to be sinking in again? Okay, so I'm just going to tack it on, pull it off. So you can kind of see how it sinks in right here. So now I'm using a brand new blade, very sharp, and I'm just going to score it a little bit, and that just cuts just the vinyl, but not the tape underneath. Takes a little skill to do that, but once you get to know the vinyl, you'll know how to do it. So you can see how the vinyl is not sticking well to the tape. You can use blue tape, white tape. Today I'm just using this yellow tape, and it worked very well. Just kind of pull it off here and there, just enough. I got like 1/8 inch above it. So I'm kind of releasing it. Now, what I'm going to be doing is, when you reheat it, it actually forms back to its original state. So you can watch this. See how it's kind of forming in? Kind of wants to go right back in the curve, or that little crevice, or wherever it is. So next, I'm just using a little squeegee. I'm just going to get it all the way in there. So this is a lot less chance of actually popping up again, because it's going back to its original state. And that's one little trick right there that you can kind of try on these little hard areas that I'm doing right here. So next I'm just going to reheat it, and it sinks it in even more. So now you're going to see is you're going to use the architectural finish squeegees that I design, also make. And what you're seeing right here, the squeegee is actually 1/8 inch thick. It's perfect for the cutting, because you want vinyl on top of vinyl, and that's the perfect thickness of cutting that. So when you do the top part, you do the top part and bring it down, and you lap it on top of the other vinyl, and then you are golden. Thank you for watching this, and hopefully you learned something. And there's always something to learn. Every job is a little bit different, and you just need to fine tune it and make it work. And so, if you like this, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to donate or applaud, you can put the applaud button down there and say, "Hey, yep, this I definitely learned it, and it's well worth it." Give me a little plod down there. And if you want to get a hold of me, you can always call me, 208-696-1180. Email me at rmwraps@gmail.com. Check out more of my the vinyls on rmwrapsstore.com. And other than that, you guys have a good day and stay tuned. I got more videos coming your way. Thank you. Bye.